Entire home renovation worth over $100,000 updates. This remodeled, 2-story home has been updated inside and out. It features 2,440 square feet of living space with 4 large bedrooms, 2 BTHs, 2-car garage, and a large open-concept living/kitchen/dining space. New interior and exterior paint, new vinyl plank flooring, beautiful kitchen with 12-feet island, granite countertops, quiet close shaker cabinets, new appliances, built-in entertainment center, stained oak stairs, newly renovated bathrooms, nice finishes, large master bedroom upstairs with walk-in closet and bonus storage room, new blinds and large laundry room. The open concept living area is perfect for entertaining. Large shade trees, large concrete back patio, lawn equipment shed, enclosed, privacy fenced backyard, and circle drive on over 1/3 acres lot. Also featured, large closets, new light fixtures, fans, a digital Alexa controlled thermostat, sprinkler system and centrally located home with quick access to churches.